Assalamu alaikum. I am Mr. Muhammad Abdur Rahim from math lecturer from Shinas College of Technology IT department. In this video lecture we will learn how to solve a homogeneous differential equation. There are types in first order and first degree differential equations. In last video lecture we studied about separable equations. Now we will study homogeneous differential equation. What is the general form of a homogeneous differential equation and how to solve it? So, what is the standard form of a homogeneous differential equation? The standard form of a homogeneous differential equation is dy by dx equals to f of x comma y divide g of x comma y, but a condition is also there where all the terms must be of same, I mean equal degree. The standard form must be like this. If any given equation is not in this standard form, if possible we can reduce that to this standard form, then we have to do it. First we will check the degree of all the terms. If the degree of all the terms is equal, then we can change the differential equation to this form. We can write like this, the left side of equal, this is equal, left side only dy by dx must be there and all other terms must be on the right side. We can change any differential equation like this, but first we need to check the terms. All the terms must be of same degree. If it is so, we can reduce that equation to this standard form. Later we can solve it. So, what is the meaning of this? All the terms must be of same degree. We go with some examples. X square y plus y square x dx plus x cube plus y cube dy equals to 0. Here if you see the degrees of the terms, this is one term because it is multiplication, this completely one term. Plus means another term. This is one term. X cube is one term, plus means another term. Y cube is another term. What is the degree of x cube? 3. The degree of this term 3. The degree of this term, because this is multiplication, so to find the degree we need to add 2 plus 1 is 3. Here multiplication is there, that is why the degree of this term x square y is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So, all the terms are of degree 3. So, this is a homogeneous differential equation. To find its solution, we reduce this differential equation to this form. Later we apply the standard method. So, like this we need to check. Let us take another example. Here if you see the degree of the first term is 2, whereas degree of the second term is 3, not matching, not equal. So, all the terms are of not same degree, not equal degree. So, this is a non-homogeneous differential equation. I mean not homogeneous. Homogeneous, not homogeneous. So, we are studying what? Homogeneous differential equations. So, if we after reducing this first differential equation like this, second is not homogeneous, so this method is not applicable, leave it. The steps are to find the solution, the steps are put y equals to Vx If you differentiate this, that means here wherever y is there, we put that y as Vx. We replace y with Vx, and if we differentiate this on both sides, what we will get with respect to x? dy by dx. This is multiplication, so we use the product rule of differentiation. V plus v multiply derivative of x1 plus x, now dv over dx. This differentiation is with respect to x. So dy over dx, v plus x dv dy dx. So this is the given differential equation. This is our substitution every time for any homogeneous differential equation. For any homogeneous differential equation, we put like this, always y equals to Vx and its derivative dy by dx like this. So here if you see left side, this is dy by dx, this we can replace with this v plus x dv by dx here. And here wherever y, we need to replace that y with Vx, and later this differential equation which is homogeneous will convert or will transform to a separable differential equation every time. And we know how to solve a separable differential equation by just integrating both sides. That will be the final solution. So let us take a question and do these things in that. Let us take a homogeneous differential equation and solve it. So this is a differential equation which we need to solve. So we can solve with the homogeneous differential equation method or not. For that we need to check the degrees of all terms. What is the degree of first term? 2. Degree of second term? 2. Same. Degree of this term, this is constant, no need to take 0 because the degree of x1, degree of y1, because this multiplication 1 plus 1 2. So all the terms are of same degree. All the terms have same degree too. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. So the step 1 is to change this differential equation to this form, the standard form, in which dy by dx only should be there on left side, equal all other items, all other terms. So first step, let us write like this: x square plus y square dx equals to 2xy dy. So this minus 2xy I send to the other side. Later we need on the one side only dy by dx, dy in numerator, dx in denominator. Dy is in already numerator, no need to change. Dx, it should be in denominator. So let us send dx to the other side. So dx goes to the other side, down or in denominator. The other, all other things should be other side. So dy by dx, but this we don't want this side because with dy by dx only coefficient 1. So send down, and this x square plus y square same. Yes, we got the first step, that is dy by dx equals to all other items other side. So the next step, second step, we need to remember this and this. We need to put y as Vx, and by differentiating this we will get always dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. So this is say 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now we have to substitute this equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. So here y is there, so this y we have to replace with Vx, here Vx square, here this is y, so y Vx. For this dy by dx, yes, it is same. So we need to write v plus x dy by dx here. That we will do in the next step. So equation 1 is changing like this: x square, this y is vx, v square x square, because square is there, divide 2x, this y vx, and right side dy by dx. Dy by dx is we see here v plus x dv over dx. So here we can take common, because x square is there in both the terms. So here x square gone, 1 plus here v square, here if you see 2x multiply x, x square v, so x square and x square in multiplication cancelled, v plus x dv by dx copied as it is same. Now 1 plus v square divide 2v minus v, this plus v this side minus v, dx dv over dx. So later we will simplify this, then this equation will reduce to a separable differential equation. After, so the next step here, 1 plus v square 2v minus, sorry, divide 2v multiply v, generally this will be multiplied here if no denominator, that is denominator is 1, minus 2v square, 2v multiply v, v multiply v, v square, right hand side as it is. So these two are same, so plus 1 minus 2 minus v square. Now this equation if we see, now we can change this equation to separable equation, separable differential equation. We know the standard form, all x dx, all y dy, here but v. Here if you see dv is in numerator, so its coefficient must be all v. So this all v functions and this side. So what happens there? dv, just send this other side. It is in denominator, go to numerator. It is in numerator, that goes to in denominator. So this x, bring this side, that means 1 over x. Because it is in numerator, it comes to denominator, 1 over x. Dx is in denominator, so it goes to numerator. So this is very clear now. This is dx with all functions of function of x, dv with all functions of v. So dv functions of v, dx, this is the separable differential equation. So we know how just to find the general solution of a separable differential equation, just integrate both sides. Integral. Integral 1 over x is ln x, the standard formula, and this, if you remember in integration one rule is there, the rule is integral f dash f x by fx dx, then that is ln mod denominator. So here what is the denominator? 1 minus v square. If we differentiate, the derivative is for 1 0 minus, for v square 2v, yes 2v is there, but minus is missing, only minus is missing. So we can balance minus, minus here and minus here. So this is like this now, fx is 1 minus v square, f dash x means its derivative of denominator. The derivative of denominator is 0 minus 2v, that is minus 2v, it is here. So we can write like this, ln denominator. So minus ln denominator 1 minus y square plus ln c plus ln c. Later we remove ln by logarithmic formulae and algebraic simplification. So now the logarithmic formula ln x, this is minus and this is plus. We know ln c divide, because this is minus. We can remove ln x equals to c over 1 minus v square. So x into 1 minus v square equals to c x. But what is this v? It is not given in the equation. And if you remember, we put the y as vx in the substitution. So what is v? Y over x. Y over x we need to write here 1 minus y square x square equals to c. If we do some simplification, cross multiplication, equals to c, cancel like this. So this is the way of solving this first equation, homogeneous differential equation. Pass. So another equation, solve the differential equation dy by dx equals to y over x plus tan y over x. So is it a homogeneous differential equation? Yes. Why? What is the degree of this term? Because this is division 1 minus 1, the degree is 0. If you see here also 1 minus 1, the degree is 0. So all the terms are of same degree, that is 0. So we can go for homogeneous differential equation method, because this is homogeneous differential equation. How to solve? Already this is in standard form, as we know. The standard form is in left side only dy by dx and all other terms on right side. Yes, it is there. So directly put y vx, and by differentiating this dy by dx v plus x dv over dx, put these two in the given equation. So it will change. This is same, so the right side v plus x dv over dx, y vx, so vx here plus tan vx divide x, cancellations, and also another cancellation is there. So v only remaining. So this v and plus v, you see both sides same term cancel. So later the remaining terms are like this. And now if you see, we can change this into a separable differential equation. Here dv is there, but x is that is not matching, because we need only function of v with dv. So dx, any derivative should be in numerator, so send the other to the other sides. So what will happen here? The next step, tan v I am sending to the other side, 1 over tan v dv dx other side up, x, so other side 1 over x, 1 over tan v from trigonometry cot dv 1 over x dx. Now this is the separable differential equation, separable, dv with all v functions, dx with all x terms, it's okay. So that is just integrate both sides. Integral cot v, this is the standard integral by the integration formulas. Integral cot x is this is like a cosine over sine, and the derivative of denominator d by dx of sine is cosine, so ln sine v. This is the standard formula, of course. This is also standard formula ln x, so integration constant ln c. So ln sine v, ln plus plus, so just multiply them with one integral, with one ln, ln cancel, sine, we know v already from here, v is y over x equals to xc, like this we get the solution. Pass. So this is the final solution for this homogeneous differential equation. So take these three as homework. So first one, solve the differential equations, x square minus y square dy by dx equals to xy. If you see here, all the degrees are same. This term degree is 1 plus 1 2 because multiplication 2 2 okay. Here also yes, it's okay. This is also okay. So solve these three. So the review of this video lecture is, we solve only one method. Why we learn only one method, that is homogeneous differential equation. First we need to check the terms, whether all the terms are of same degree or not. If all the terms are of same degree, then we need to change the differential equation as dy by dx equals to something. Here anything maybe, but one side only dy by dx. Next put y equals to vx and dv over dx equals to v plus x. Next the differential equation become a separable differential equation. Next integrate both sides and put v as y over x.